Hey there! Welcome back to my Kitchen Faucets channel. Today, we're tackling a small but important part of your home, your faucet. If you've got water spots, limescale, or grime buildup, don't worry, I've got some easy and effective cleaning tips for you. Let's get started. For everyday maintenance, all you need is a microfiber cloth and warm water. Wipe down the faucet daily to prevent buildup. If there are minor spots, a little dish soap on a damp cloth does wonders. Rinse and dry with a clean towel to keep it sparkling. Water spots and fingerprints, no problem. Just mix equal parts white vinegar and water, spray it on, and wipe it off with a cloth. Vinegar breaks down mineral deposits and leaves your faucet looking brand new. If you've got tough limescale deposits, soak a paper towel or cloth in vinegar, wrap it around the faucet, and leave it for 30 minutes. Then, scrub gently with a soft brush or an old toothbrush, and rinse. It's like magic. If your faucet's water flow seems weak, the aerator might be clogged. Simply unscrew it, soak it in vinegar for an hour, and scrub away any debris with a small brush before reattaching. You'll notice a big difference. For that extra shine, take a tiny drop of baby oil or olive oil and buff your faucet with a soft cloth. This not only makes it gleam, but also creates a barrier against water spots. Here are some additional tips to help you out. Baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a paste for scrubbing stubborn stains. Lemon juice for shine. Rub a lemon half over the faucet for a natural shine and fresh scent. Toothpaste trick. A small amount of non-gel toothpaste can be used to polish stainless steel faucets. Preventative maintenance. Install a water softener if you have hard water to reduce buildup over time. Use a toothbrush. A soft toothbrush helps clean those tiny crevices where grime hides. And there you have it, simple and effective ways to keep your faucet clean and looking brand new. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home cleaning tips. Let me know in the comments your favorite faucet cleaning hacks. See you next time.